rainy binge day during the monsoon, what is the first thing that comes to your mind? If you are a true foodie like me, the answer is Garma Garma Pakoras, and obviously with kadak chai. अब कहीं तुम इसे bhajiya कहते हो और कहीं पे bhajji बुलाते हो और कहीं पे pakora, but its purpose remains the same: to fix up your gloomy day and fill your mouth with wholesomeness. Across the country, this deep-fried dish is enjoyed differently. But what if I told you that PAKORA'S has also inspired countries like Portugal, Japan, Korea, and the rest of the world? Surprised? Let me take you through the story of how pakora is an inspo-food item for so many other dishes. Pakora, our gift to the world. History of pakora. Pakora, ये word संस्कृत language से derive हुआ है pakvavata, compound of pakwa, that is cooked, and vata, a small lump. Early known recipes come from the Manasolasa in the 1130 cookbook, where it mentions parika, pakora, and method of preparing it. Lokopakara in 1025 and the 10th century cookbook also mentions a unique pakora recipe where gram flour is pressed into fish-shaped molds and fried in mustard oil. Way to Japan. The famous Japanese fried food, tempura, has a very close connection to pakoras. In the 16th century, Spanish and Portuguese ships would stop in India on their way to Japan. They would pick up their cooks from India and experiment with Indian dishes. It is these cooks who taught the Europeans how to love vegetables and bhajiyas. And when the ships got to Japan, some of these cooks got off and stayed on. This is when the Indian dishes inspired the Japanese to the dish they would call tempura. Even today, the Japanese use it exactly as we do, as a means of cooking vegetables. Fritters across the globe. Worldwide, a popular snack item is fritters. They are made with onions, vegetables, chicken, fish, gram flour, spices, herbs, or anything else that takes you fancy. एक और interesting बात बताऊं? 90% of the deep-fried food items anywhere in the world will be variations on the pakora. Even the tikhi and the meaty chutney we use to relish pakora is replicated in the form of Szechuan sauce or wasabi or any other dip. Pakora's affair with Chinese cuisine. The most influential Chinese restaurants in the country, the Taj Group Golden Dragon and a House of Ming, have a great role to play. To cater to Chinese tourists, assorted Indian Chinese starters were invented. Among them, golden fried prawns, which are essentially prawn pakoras. It is those Chinese pakoras that still dominate most menus even in the China. India's romance with pakoras. Traveling across India from Chennai to Gujarat and Mumbai to Kolkata, one can hear them being called by different names including bondas, bhajiyas, bhajji, telibhaja, and bora. But what is common across is the craving for a plate of pakoras during the rainy season. It is comforting to listen to the pitter-patter of heavy rain sitting in the comfort of your home, having tea and pakoras. Whether you have it at roadside stall or cook in your home, the next time you have pakoras, remember that it is Indian culinary's gift to the world.